In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create circular arrows in PowerPoint using Smartart. This is a fantastic tool for enhancing your presentations by adding visually engaging graphics that help illustrate processes, cycles, or sequences in your slides. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. Once the program is launched, navigate to the presentation where you want to add your circular arrows. If you're starting from scratch, simply create a new slide where you'd like to insert the Smartart graphic. Now, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. This will open a range of options for adding different elements to your slide. Among these, you'll find Smartart. Click on It's Proceed. A dialog box will appear, showing different categories and styles of Smartart graphics. For our purpose, select the Cycle category. This is perfect for representing circular processes or loops. Once you click on Cycle, you'll see several designs. Choose the 7 Smartart option, which is typically a cycle with arrows. This particular design is great for showcasing continuous flow or relationships. After selecting your Smartart, right-click on it and choose Ungroup. This will break the Smartart into individual elements, giving you the flexibility to modify or move parts independently. A useful feature when customizing your design. Now, let's focus on the arrows. Click directly on any of the arrows within the graphic. You can easily drag and move them around as needed. Adjust their positions to best fit your slide layout or to highlight key points you're explaining. And there you have it. Your circular arrows are ready and customized on your PowerPoint slide. With a touch of creativity, you can also change their colors or styles to match your presentation's theme. These steps provide a quick and effective way to enhance your slides, making your information not only visually appealing, but also easier for your audience to understand. That's it for today's tutorial on creating circular arrows using Smartart in PowerPoint. With these steps, you'll ensure your presentations are both engaging and informative. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.